Babe, guess what? I found the 1986 C4 Corvette. It's red inside out with a peanut butter convertible top.
Really, babe? There's no telling what's wrong with it.
With a little TLC and touch up on the interior, we'd have ourselves a classic for sure.
I don't know. A 39-year-old car needs more than interior TLC. Let's talk about the dollars and cents.
Come on, babe. We got it. I'll put a cammed out 383 structure in it. All I can say is you'll hear me before you see me.
I bet. Ooh, wait. Is it the model with the pop-up headlights? That's like a real toy for real. Hope your piggy bank can handle it.
Just think, we could pack a picnic basket, some cab salve, drop the top, cruise to our favorite lake on Sundays.
Deal. As long as I get to drive full throttle and race you in that C8.
We'll forever sync this speed, babe. Let's get it.
Everybody, stay tuned to see how this C4 turns out.
A few moments later.